Hey everyone, welcome back to Kettle Haven Ranch. I'm Steve. Today we're in the workshop. We're going to be putting together some super cheap and easy to make 8-foot long bunks, feed bunks for the sheep. That's coming up next. This will be the first video in our sheep playlist. It'll also be in the ranch playlist. If you like our content, please subscribe, hit the like button, and ring the notification bell for future videos. On this project, we're going to use a 1-inch by 8-inch by 8-foot pine plank, along with two 1 by 4 by 8-foot planks. You'll also need a 2 by 4 by 8 cut into 4 equal lengths of 2 feet. And then out of some 1 by 4 scrap, you're going to need some 1 by 4 by 8 3/4 inch long scrap pieces. You'll need 2 of those. Those are the end caps. All right, let's put this together. It's real quick, real fun. Even funner if you have air tools, because it is quick. We're set up now at the work table, and I have my 8-inch plank laying flat on the tabletop, and then I have one of my 4 inchers. These, once again, 1 by 4 by 8 is set up the full length, standing vertical. By doing it this way, we're going to go ahead and staple this one or nail this one together, and then do the opposite side, and from there we'll have an actual beginning of our trough. Probably end up speeding this up. I am using a 2-inch galvanized nail, so fairly common. Just make sure your ends are tight, and we'll go ahead and go. Okay, one side's done. Probably most of that was off camera. Pretty sure you guys know how to drive a nail or sink a screw. We're going to go ahead and rotate this around without knocking over any camera equipment, and do the opposite side. Pretty easy there. Of course, you always want to wear eye protection. Okay, that gets us the trough portion. Now we'll do the ends real quick. Hopefully this will come out a little bit better. The end pieces are our 1 by 8 3/4, 1 by 4 by 8 3/4, excuse me. We're just going to cap it just like this, without nailing our hands. Real simple. That's our basic trough right there. Now, this can sit flat on the ground like this. You can build it into something else. What I'm going to do is, remember our 2 by 4 by 2-foot long lengths we have? We're going to shove those in here as feeders, and to stabilize it, once again, it doesn't take much. These aren't under a lot of pressure or a lot of strain. You can measure these out if you want to. I don't think the sheep are going to notice a difference. And all our idea here is just to keep them from knocking it over when it's full of feed. The old pinky trigger. Yeah. And left-handed. Almost. Of course, I'm running into a toolbox offset, so we'll have to wing it. All right, well, I promised a quick and easy, down and dirty, functional feeding trough for your sheep or goats. This works really well. Our sheep have no problems with it. They get on both sides, so it gets about 12, 14 sheep at a time can eat out of this. The other nice thing is your handy little scoops that you buy at the feed store will fit in here for cleaning it out, because of course the sheep eat in here, but for some reason they have to poop in here too. So when you need to clean it out, it's fairly easy to do. Snowfall, we have a lot of snow here. Just go out, clean it out real easy, stand it on its side, run the scoop down the length and it's empty. That's nice. The lambs can get in here really easy. It's cheap, it's easy. Do I paint it? No. Why put the chemicals into the food supply? Don't preserve it. I don't use treated wood. Just add to the cost. As it is, this will last 2, 3, maybe even 4 years in our climate in Eastern Washington. All said and done, probably 12, 14 bucks in wood, and not even a couple dollars in nails, and that's it. A little bit of electricity and some time, and we're up and running. Well, that wraps it up for this one. Hit the subscribe button. The like button sure helps. And ring the notification bell for future notifications of future videos. We have more for sheep coming up, a lot more in ranching, and of course the bees, and we have the wood shop in CNC. So, hope everyone's staying safe and healthy. Okay, I'm in with the little piranhas right now. These are my little lamb piranhas. Hey, baby. Hey, Sweet Pea. How you doing today? She had a little bit of bloat. I think we took care of it. Thank you, Sandy. So we've got our benches out. These guys are hungry. I think it's time to put some food in it. Give them a shot. Okay, come on girls, move. And we have the new one just off camera. I'll fill that one up too. Girls, come on.